Walk. He walks slowly. Help. He is helping her. Run. He runs regularly. Talk. He is talking with friend. Jump. He jumps rapidly. Think. She thinks for project. Read. She is reading for exam. Sleep. She is sleeping now. Fight. She is fighting with friend. Play. They are playing together. Cry. She is crying loudly. Sing. She sings well. Ride. He is riding rapidly. Watch. They are watching cartoons. Dance. She dances so funny. Win. He win the race. Cut. He is cutting the tree. Fly. The bird is flying the sky. Open. He opened the door carefully. Close. She is closing the door. Write. Lisa write the homework. Give. She gives the box. Drink. Purchase. He purchased some clothes. Speak. She speak loudly. Drive. He is driving his car. Travel. They travel by plane. Teach. She is teaching her student. Learn. They learn mathematics. Move. He man is moving. Lift. He is lifting the barbell. Create. They create more equipment. Cook. He chef is cooking food. Call. She is calling the ambulance. Rinse. He rinses his hand. Washing. She is washing her clothes. Wait. He is waiting for her friend. Climb. They are climbing the above. Clap. They are clapping for enjoy. Kiss. She is kissing her son. Hug. She is hugging with his friend. Snore. He is snoring loudly. Smell. He is smells the flower. Painting. She is painting a picture.
Subscribe for more videos.